Hey, what's up guys, hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, it's a combination of me facing my fear of vlogging, and since it's face off season, I wanted to try something new and I wanted to try something different, in addition to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year guys. I believe this video will be both inspirational and educational to you and I as we are stepping into the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and make sure you watch till the end of this video guys, and enjoy.
Justin Bigere, every day is a chance to get better, here to uplift, inspire, educate. Let's go.
Romans 12:19.
So guys, I've done preparing, getting ready for a video shoot at the mall. As you can see, I've got a mic here with me, and I've got a phone where I'll be recording the sound, and the camera is right here recording me, and we'll be going at the mall and we'll be shooting a video. Though it's late, but then we have to do the video today, and that's what discipline is all about. This fear of recording on the camera is gotta finish today. Like, I'm just sitting here, but for me to stand up and start recording in public, I don't know why I'm afraid, but then I guess like today is the day where we have to get out of our comfort zone. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but then I've been sitting here for like an hour now. I'm trying to like see how I can come out of this spot and actually stand up and start vlogging. So I don't know if we can do it, but then let's try, ne? Like what's the quote of the day?
The quote
of the word of the day.
Okay, so the quote of the day is, don't put too much of effort into someone, because the next time you'll find them is you will see them holding another girl's hand with the watch you bought them, which was 1,200 rand.
Ooh, that's so deep. And what would you say? What's the quote of the day for you?
I don't know. I don't have a quote of the day.
You don't have a quote of the day?
No.
Okay, what's the one question you wish you were asked more?
Can I please get you something to eat?
Oh, can I please get you something to eat?
Yes.
I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry?
Yes.
What can I get you? I don't even have money. After having a beautiful conversation and not able to help feed someone really makes me want to work so hard so that I may be able to give back to the community. Guys, thanks so much for being in this video. Are you guys on the socials or anything?
Oh, yes, we are.
What's the social handle?
It's Ashwarya Singh.
And if you guys want to see that, stick with me throughout this journey. Make sure you subscribe guys. Thanks so much for being in this video. Thank you too. Woo! First video out. Yes! I feel like it is, guys. I feel like it's just a matter of like, you know, getting out of your comfort zone. Though I'm a bit shaking.
You are shaking, my guy.
But then I guess that's all it's all about, you know. We all have goals, we all have dreams, and I feel like winning is all about how much you want something and how disciplined are you to it, you know. And that's what I just want to say, guys. This is my first vlogging like this at the mall, and I don't know if I'm even allowed to do this, but then
you really want to go to Wakanda?
Anyways, we keep showing up, and that's how we're gonna roll in 2025, you know. So let's see if we can get other people to be in the video or something like that. Bro, how's it, bro? We good to say laka bro. So I'm recording a video, man, and I'm just going around and asking people what's the course of the day. I don't know if you mind being in the video.
No, I don't.
You don't mind?
Course in the day, as in.
How can I help you? I'm just checking out these artifacts.
That quote of the day, what's the word of the day?
Be live like life.
Okay.
Stay true to who you are.
Okay.
And just love life as it comes.
Yeah, what I call them fun coupons.
Thanks so much for being in this video, man. Are you on any socials like Instagram or anything like that?
Yes, you can follow at Makusho Dandre Naya.
Okay.
At gmail.com.
Alright.
And I've got a video on YouTube.
Just found out bro's a YouTuber. Shout out, man. So yeah, thanks so much for being in this video, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Woo! Second person out. Guys, this is so easy, you know. I feel like it's just a matter of, you know, what's that now? Hey, I almost thought I'm being chased.
You're clowning. You're not clowning.
But then I feel like it's just a matter of like, don't worry about what people will think of you. If it's something that you wanna do, I feel like it's just something that you have to go out there and just do it, you know. So basically what's happening here, guys, is that as you know, before I record people, I ask for their permission. Now as I was asking for permission, father was really curious to know what's going on with his daughters. Okay, thanks so much.
Yeah,
Did he freeze?
an antelope in headlights.
I believe it's a very good thing for parents to do.
I'm asking people, what's the quote of the day? What's the word of the day? Okay. Hey. Ish. That was hectic, Baba. Yeah. I guess we keep showing our way, bro. How's it, man? We good? Okay, so like, what's the cause of the day? Like, the word of the day? What would you say?
Look, I've always seen videos like this, and I never thought
It can happen.
so. I don't know. The word of the day. I'm just gonna say love, bro. Everything you do, always be content. I'm not saying don't go for more, but
You need men in these buildings. There are people inside and they're going to be running right into the line of fire.
so love yours.
Okay. Are you on any social, like Instagram, TikTok, anything like that?
Yeah, I'm on IG.
Shout out. What's your IG handle?
My IG handle is LT. LT, 3 E's, 2 underscores.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'll get you on Instagram soon.
Cheers.
Excuse me, guys. How you guys doing? Name is Justin. So basically, I'm doing a video. I'm asking people what's the cause of the day. I don't know if you guys mind being in the video.
I mind.
You mind being in the video? Do you want to be in the video? Okay, thanks so much. Eh? Thank you. Well, I guess they don't want to be in the video, but then in life, you shouldn't beg people that, you know, you shouldn't beg people in life, you see. So if you want to do something, you ask. If they don't want, they don't want. You shouldn't beg people in life. And that's how we're rolling in 2025. You want to do something, go out and do it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, you know. I feel like people will let you down because now I'm just like vlogging. I'm supposed to be out with my cameraman, but then unfortunately couldn't make it, and that makes sense because, so I guess I'm just gonna vlog myself and see how it goes. So let's see.
After spending hours at the mall talking to strangers, I started realizing how awesome it is to get to know people and just have a genuine interaction with them, you know. I'm not worried about the people that didn't want to be in the video and all, but what I'm just saying is that don't allow yourself to be ruled by other people's opinions and just stick to your mission, bro.
What is something that inspires you, like a quote, like a word or something?
It's to have fun and to always appreciate me.
Thank you so much. Yes, I'm recording a video, right? And I'm basically recording myself, but I want to get your permission to do the video.
To always appreciate me.
So what's the word of the day?
Make sure you go for it. Yeah. Like anytime, like, I don't know, I'm gonna explain this. Like, go for it. Like, anything you do, anything you wanna do, go for it.
What would you say was the quote of the day?
Hey, wait, say something. Hey,
Just enjoy things.
Oh, hello.
Blah, blah, blah. Chit chat. Yeah, chit chat, thank you, before business can be discussed.
Okay. Thanks so much for being with me. See you on the other side. What's the word of the day?
So, word of today.
Yeah, the word of the day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I wish that was in the video, you know. Can I put that in the video? You can repeat that like bye-bye. Why? Are you on any Instagram social? Can you spend it?
Look! I'm a teenage girl. I'd rather be anywhere than here.
She was cute, man. Hey, but anyways, stay focused, King. Stay focused, Baba.
Jarvis, you ever hear the tale of Jonah?
I wouldn't consider him a role model.
I don't think different. Like, everything has its own time.
Everything has its own time.
Isaiah 60 verse 22, yeah.
Okay. Ooh. And she was cool, man. Hey, but anyways, stay focused, King. Stay focused, Baba.
Everything has its own time.
There's something to say. Everything. Okay. And are you guys on any Instagram or any social IG? What's the IG handle?
IG, Prince.
Prince Junior. Okay. But anyways, see you on the other side. Well, hey, I just got another person here. Guys, I feel like, you know, if I can be able to do this, I can be able to do anything, like any public thing with the camera. And yeah, let's see. Who are the next people to be in the video? Who are the next people to be in the video? What's the cause of the day?
Let me use one of my business.
Okay.
It's like a journey. When I really just go and check out her page, it's intentional, really amazing just to be intentional with the media, everything you say, doing with purpose,
Thank you so much for that, man. I really appreciate it so much because currently I'm feeling inspired by what you just said. Because it's something that if you have to dig deep down, it's something very deep, you know. So I really appreciate it so much for taking this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Are you on any Instagram, any socials? What's your name? And what's the Instagram? We have a lot of conversation with a beautiful lady.
What's up?
With a beautiful lady.
I never yielded, as you can see.
You know what I'm saying?
I am not dead.
So, hey guys, this is something like I never thought I would do this, right? I never thought I would be able to vlog like this in public because
Don't give up.
But anyways, I feel like it's just something that you really have to give up and get over it. If it's something that you want to do, I just feel like it's something that you should go out there and pursue it, you know. So, yeah. So basically, guys, I just found out that I was not recording the sound. I forgot to press record on that phone. But then, shucks. What's the word of the day?
The word of the day?
Yeah, word of the day.
The word of the day is Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Be safe. Thanks so much. Happy New Year. Thank you. Well, I feel like she was just... Well, she said Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year. And yeah, what's the word of the day?
The word of the day is Romans 12:19 in the Bible. Never take revenge, for the Lord your God will do it for you.
Yo.
That's the word of the day, guys.
That's powerful, man.
Very powerful, man. Shout out to real.c_.
Always. Is that Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram.
This time make everyone forget who Peter Parker is.
Is that Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram.
Make everyone forget.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I will. Well, I guess that's how it goes. Let's see if we can be able to get other people in the video. So like, what's the word of the day?
Yo guys, word of the day
Smooth criminals game. Anyway,
is don't give up, keep pushing, it'll be worth it in the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that what you always live by?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you on any IG handles or anything like that?
Ovisha Shabs on Instagram.
Yeah. See you on the other side. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Oh, guys, it's always good to be kind, guys.
It'll be worth it in the end.
Yeah, that's all I've got to say. So, like, what's the word of the day?
My word of the day would be to stay true to yourself.
Stay true to yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Stay true to who you are. Is it something that you always live by?
Yes, and I'm trying to live by it more.
Is it?
More often,
okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem, thank you.
What's the one question you wish you were asked more?
How are you?
Okay, how are you really? How are you?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Not great, really? But okay.
But why is it that, you know, when someone asks you how are you, people always say I'm fine. But then if you have to like go deep, like how are you really?
People don't want to actually tell the truth. They don't want to think about their reality, I think. it's better to just say, I'm fine, and keep it moving.
Okay, man, inspirational. Thank you so much for being in this video. Do you have anything to say? I mean, like, say something.
My word that I always stay true to is I'm nothing without the Lord.
The Lord your God will do it for you.
Yeah, so just remembering that all the time.
Are you a believer?
I am a believer, yeah.
Praise be to the Lord. I'm also a believer.
Thanks be to God.
How has God's influence been in your life?
It's been... there's no words to even explain how phenomenal he has been in my life. Just changing things around and always his timing. It tests you, but his timing, guys, his timing.
Okay, it's the best. His timing is the best.
His timing is the best, yeah.
What's the one piece of advice you would give to your younger self?
Patience and endurance. I think especially in this generation that we're living in, we tend to want instant gratification. So definitely just to the younger people, just the Lord's timing, patience and endurance.
Don't be hard on yourself.
Yeah.
That's a deep one. Don't be hard on yourself.
Things
I feel
will
that.
come.
Yeah.
In time.
Thank you so much for being in this video.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ooh. No, it's always good to be kind, guys. But anyways, what's the word of the day? Like, what would you say, like, the word of the day?
Don't be annihilated.
You can't refuse.
Just live life, enjoy it through.
Okay. Don't be annihilated.
Don't be annihilated.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense, man. So, like, what's the one piece of advice you give to your younger self, bro?
Just enjoy things and take it easy. Take it easy.
Man, that's deep, man. Really appreciate it so much.
No problem.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, bro. Always. Please. But like, man, just try and do something that's you really want to do, but then it's hard for you to do it, but then you just have to do it because you just want to do it. I don't know if that makes sense, but then anyways, said.
Nah, I don't have a word of the day, sadly.
Word of the day, I'm sorry.
You guys still in school?
Yeah, we're still in school.
What's grade you doing?
Nah, I'm in grade 10.
And you?
Grade 10 as well.
Grade 10? And you?
Same as them.
Okay, how's the subjects? What subjects you do?
Choosing economics, EGD, and life science.
Okay, when you?
Double science and accounting.
And you?
Me, history and geo and business studies.
Away, guys, thanks so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, man.
Enjoy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Away. Well, it's a good time, you know.
Word of the day. Keep going.
Keep going. Is it something that you always live by? Keep going.
Yeah, that's something I always live by.
And what's the one piece of advice you would give to a younger self?
My younger self. Focus. Always stay focused. Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, bro.
Thanks.
Always take it easy. Good. Well, hey, guys, you know, I feel like we're doing this, ne? I feel like we are able to actually start vlogging.
Keep going.
But anyways, guys, yeah, guys, thanks so much for being in this video, guys. That's the end of this video. If you guys want to see more videos from me where I'll be vlogging and asking people questions, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time.
Just enjoy
to you and I.